Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can choose power mode on your Windows 11. So this power mode, if you use laptop, you can try to use a balance, but if you use PC, I recommend you to use the high power, maximum power. So by click Windows logo and click on settings, you can jump into the system and then click on power option. Here you can choose power mode, optimize your device based on power use and performance. So if you want to save your energy, you can click best power efficiency. Best power efficiency to turn on energy recommendation. But if you want to sum a balance between power efficiency and performance, you can choose the middle one, balance. But if you're a gamer and you use PC, I recommend you to turn on best performance on your PC. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.